Crello Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to the Crello Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll share my experience with the Crello Affiliate Program, walk you through its features, and help you understand who it's designed for. Don't forget, links to the program are in the description below if you're ready to get started. Crello is a graphic design tool that allows users to create professional quality designs without needing advanced design skills. It's similar to Canva, but offers unique features like animated designs and more design templates for a variety of use cases, from social media posts to presentations and marketing materials. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or content creator, Crello makes creating eye-catching visuals quick and easy. Now, let's talk about the Crello Affiliate Program. Joining the program is simple, and once you're approved, you can start promoting Crello's subscription plans and products through affiliate links. The program is free to join and offers competitive commissions, with payouts of up to $45 per sale, depending on the plan your referral chooses. You also get a 30-day cookie window, meaning you'll earn commissions for up to 30 days after someone clicks on your affiliate link. Crello offers both free and premium plans for users, with the premium plan giving access to more templates, animations, and advanced features. This wide range of offerings allows you to target a variety of users, from beginners who are just starting out with design to professionals looking for a more robust tool. The program is especially suited for creators, marketers, and small business owners looking for a straightforward design tool at an affordable price. As an affiliate, you'll have access to marketing materials like banners and ready-to-use links, making it easy to promote Crello through your website, blog, or social media. The program has great support and resources to help you maximize your earnings. In conclusion, if you're interested in a simple yet powerful design tool that anyone can use, the Crello Affiliate Program is a great option to consider. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or content creator, this affiliate program can help you generate income while promoting a tool that adds real value. So check out the links in the description and sign up today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.